Hi, I'm Stephanie Steppe, owner of Heirloom Memories, and today we're going to talk about different types of fine fabrics that go in the couture christening outfits and gowns that you can find available for you on Heirloom Memories. First thing I'd like to talk about is silk dupioni. And silk dupioni is a beautiful fabric with a wonderful sheen to it. It's one of the many types of silk that has a little bit of nub in the finish. You can see the texture. It drapes beautifully. It's not really stiff. And in this particular case, it's in a onesie type outfit for a little boy. And it's actually the one on the website that's called Rourke, a little bow tie and a little bit of a vest and so forth. And so this is something that needs to be dry cleaned, and it'll last for many years. Next, many of our outfits are made out of cotton batiste. And cotton batiste is something that is a really light cotton. In this blue, it's something that you can actually see. You probably can't see on the camera, but you can even see my fingernails through it. It's a very gentle, light, tight weave of cotton. This is something you can hand wash, and it makes beautiful gowns and beautiful outfits for both boys and girls. And then this is a heavier cotton. It is what would be called a fine cotton. And this one is a sateen, as a matter of fact, which means it has a little bit of sheen to the finish, and it could even be made in the same outfit that was made out of silk dupioni. Either one of these fabrics can be hand washed. The next fabrics, these are actually linens, and there are a couple of different types of linens here. The first one is a handkerchief linen, and handkerchief linen is a light linen from the perspective that it's transparent, meaning you can see partially through it, and in fact you can see through this pink, you can see the white behind it. And it's the linen that is used for this double scalloped bib for christening accessory, really, for a little boy or a little girl. And sometimes you want to use a heavier linen. And the heavier linen here, this might be a 3.5 ounce. This is more like a 5 ounce. This one you really don't see through. This is the kind that you would really use in a woman's skirt or a woman's jacket. This is the one that really wrinkles. We all know how linen does. The lighter ones really don't wrinkle quite as much. And these are things that you want to dry clean. They're going to be a lot better dry cleaned, and professionally the dry cleaners know how to handle those. So that gives you an idea of some of the fabrics that we find in Heirloom Memories christening outfits. And so thank you very much. Next time we'll talk about some of the laces and some of the other items that go into our products.